one is Google Task. And so when I click on Google Task, I can add a task. And so the task I need to bring sheet music from home. Press enter and it's become a task. I can also go in and edit it, and I can make sure that it's added to my task list. If I had another list here, I could switch between the names of my list. I can add a date to it, and I want to bring it tomorrow, so it will say tomorrow. But if I want to change it to the next day, that would be fine too. And then all I have to do is close my task. But when I go back into task, that's bring sheet music from home. One of the nice things about Google Gmail is that you're allowed to take an email and add it to a task list. So, for example, this is create a boot camp agenda. So if I click on this in the box and click the three dots, I can add it to task. And it will automatically create boot camp agenda and task list for PD January 22nd. And notice that it came from my email. Now if I click on the edit button, I can add a date to that. So I'm going to make it on the 18th. And that, now I still have my bring sheet music from home, and I still have my create boot camp agenda. Now this one is one that happened when I click add task. So if I want to get rid of this, all I have to do is click on and click at it, and I've still got my last two things right here. This three dots right here allows you to sort by date or order. It also allows you to rename a list. And if you will notice, if I wanted to bring my sheet music from home, I can just pick it up and drag and drop it. And that is the way you create tasks in Gmail.